Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome back to Banner Online Classes. Today, we will discuss some more protocol used in networking, and our first protocol is FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. Remember students, full form is very important in networking, so you must know the full form of every protocol. Okay, so basically FTP, as the name suggests, is it is a protocol for transferring the file from one computer to another. So whether you are uploading a file, whether you are downloading a file, on both cases FTP protocol will be used. Okay, so FTP is a standard internet protocol provided by TCP/IP used for transferring the file from one host to another. Remember, FTP protocol is worked over a TCP/IP network. It is mainly used for transferring web pages files from the internet. It is also used for downloading the file from one computer from the other server. Although transferring files from one system to another is very simple and straightforward, but sometimes it can cause problem. Like what problem it can cause? Like two systems have different file convention. Okay, like some system is working on ASCII, some system is working on Unicode. So on that file version is mismatched, so this is a problem. Two systems may have different way of representing a data and text also. Two systems may have different directory structure, like Mac have a different directory structure and Windows have a different directory structure. So FTP protocol overcomes these problems by establishing two connection between hosts. So FTP will create two connection. One is data connection, which is used for transferring the data, and second is control connection, which will take care about these problem. What kind of problem? Whether it is file convention, whether it is it may have a different ways of representing a data, whether it have a different directory structure, authentication problem. All these things will be managed by the control connection, and transferring of data will be managed by the data connection. Okay, so objectives of FTP is sharing of files. It is a primary objective of FTP. Second is it is used to encourage the use of remote computer. Let us suppose I want there are four computer in the office. Okay, so what they can do, they can store all the file in one computer, and if they want that particular file, they can directly access those file from that computer. The remaining three computer will access the file from the fourth computer with the help of FTP. This is how we can use FTP for remote computing. Okay, and it transfer data more reliably and if efficiently, because we have a authentication management, we have a different it also works if there are different directory structure. So all these things comes under that point. Now, what is the mechanism is simple. Okay, this is the diagram of FTP. Now I have already discussed control connection and data connection. Okay, so I'm not